BLU Vivo 5 mini, and let me show you how to enter here the factory mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm the operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off. And now you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down. Keep holding both keys. Release both keys as soon as blue logo pops up. And this is the factory mode. So here you can perform auto test, so you can test all hardware features. You can perform the manual test, item test. Let me just, for example, enter the item test. As you can see here, you can test your keys. So let's press volume up, volume down, power. You can also test other stuff such as the black light, memory card, vibrator, LED, speaker, sensor, main camera, sub camera, FM radio, Wi-Fi, and other stuff. Let's press volume up to go back. Here you can see the test report. You can use debug test. You can check the version. Let me press power key to confirm it. This is your version. Use volume up to go back. And this is the factory mode, also called as test mode. If you would like to quit this mode, let's choose the last option, which is reboot. Press power key to confirm it and wait until your device will be completely ready to use. Alright, so you can unlock the screen and start using your device. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.